Are you tired of everyone peeking at your private texts on Messenger? Locking your Messenger app on Android is a smart way to solve this problem. Depending on your device's features or third-party apps, there are several ways to lock it. Here are two of the most effective methods. Method 1. Use Messenger's built-in lock feature. First, open the Messenger app. Tap the three-line icon on the top left corner. Now tap on the gear icon. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Select App Lock. Now toggle on Unlock with Biometrics over here. Once you enable this, Messenger will ask you to authenticate using your device fingerprint and a PIN code. Set this up according to your preference. After that, your Messenger app will be locked. But if for some reason you are unable to use this feature, there is another great way to lock your Messenger. Method 2. Use a third-party app locker. If your phone doesn't have a built-in app locking, go to Play Store, switch to the search panel. Now search App Locker. Select any trusted app from here. I'll be using this app lock from DoMobile Lab. Although I'm not promoting it, this app is pretty handy. So install it now. After it's installed, open it. You will be asked to draw an unlock pattern. Draw one to proceed. Select Agree and Start. Now tap on Allow to all the prompts. Here, search for Messenger and tap on it. You will be asked to permit this from your iPhone. And that's it. You have successfully learned to lock your Messenger app with two of the most advanced methods. Got any questions? Let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you as fast as I can. And I'll see you next time.